monarchy from its banknotes, auctions, and B. United Kingdom, C. South Africa, D. None of these. Correct answer, none of these. Question. Options: the 23rd August 2020, the 25th August 2020, the 27th August 2020, D. None of these. Correct answer, none of these. Which country won the Women's World Cup 2020? Options: Germany, B. North Korea, C. Spain, D. None of these. Correct answer, Spain. Biden administration released National Cybersecurity Strategy on options: 2nd March 2023, D. 3rd March 2023, C. 4th March 2023, D. None of these. Correct answer, 2nd March 2023. What is the theme of Earth Day 2020? Options: pretend please, D. Invest in humans, C. Invest in our planet, D. None of these. Correct answer, invest in our planet. Australia banned TikTok in options: May 2023, D. July 2023, C. August 2023, D. None of these. Correct answer, none of these. In July 2023, China replaced its foreign yuan with options: Yinku, B. Sushtia, C. Waniya, D. None of these. Correct answer, Waniya. The war Ukraine and Russia began on options: 22nd February 2022, B. 24th February 2022, C. 22nd March 2022, D. None of these. Correct answer, none of these. According to Simmons data on global military spending in 2022, which country is the world's largest military spender? Options: China, B. India, C. Russia, D. None of these. Correct answer, none of these. Global Convention on Higher Education, UNESCO entered into force on options: 4th March 2023, B. 5th March 2023, C. 6th March 2023, D. None of these. Correct answer, 5th March 2023. The Indian Ocean Conference (IAC) was held in Dhaka, Bangladesh on May 12 to 130, 2023. Options: 5th, B. 6th, C. 7th, D. None of these. Correct answer, 6th. World Development Report is released by options: IMF, B. World Bank, C. D. None of these. Correct answer, World Bank. Who became the Prime Minister of France in May 2022? Options: Elizabeth Born, B. Yves Tauzu, C. Elisa Brick, D. None of these. Correct answer, Elizabeth Born. The summit was held in August 2023. Options: Moscow, B. Delhi, C. Beijing, D. None of these. Correct answer, none of these. The 5th June 2023 World Environment Day focused on options: thermal pollution, B. Plastic pollution, C. Noise pollution, D. None of these. Correct answer, plastic pollution. When did the Taliban took over control of Kabul? Options: July 2021, B. August 2021, C. September 2021, D. None of these. Correct answer, July 2021. Pakistan was officially removed from the FATF gray list on options: August 21st, 2021. B. September 21st, 2021. C. October 21st, 2021. D. None of these. Correct answer, October 21st, 2021. Which footballer won the Best FIFA Man's Player Award in 2023? Options of Kylian, Pap Cristiano, B. Ronaldo, C. Lionel Messi, D. None of these. Correct answer, Lionel Messi. Financial Action Task Force that recently suspended the membership of which country? Options: A. Ukraine, B. Russia, C. Afghanistan, D. None of these. Correct answer, Russia. Israel signed in October 2022 a mediated sea border deal with options: A. Turkey, B. Lebanon, C. Egypt, D. None of these. Correct answer, Lebanon.